Hi everyone, David Ward. It is Friday, January 21st, 2022 at 3:05 a.m. Central Time. That's here in the U.S., Alabama. Hope everyone's doing okay today. I'm doing fine, getting a little sleepy. I would normally get to sleep around 7 p.m. and wake up around 2 or 3 a.m., but I'm a little late getting to sleep. Let's go and get to this analysis. You see I've made some changes. I took off the potential two-tiered reaccumulation because I'm about 75% more that we're going to come down at least somewhere around this aqua lower diagonal trend line right here. I've posted a few charts in this publication here, Casual Discussion on Current Price Action. The changes to this chart, and then this chart in particular. Yes, I posted this one, but then I added this other green channel. But that aqua diagonal trend line to me is probably about where it would come down for a sign of weakness, somewhere right in here. When I say somewhere right in here, that's between 35,718 and 33,520. Let's just say between 35,700 and 33,520, or 33,500. 35,700 to 33,500. Now, it is possible to go lower, but that's where I'm seeing this coming down initially. In this note here to the right, what I'm basically pointing out there, and I'll leave this chart in the description, but what I'm pointing out here is how we went sideways here for a while. This could act as preliminary support before a selling climax, and then coming back up to or near preliminary support for our automatic rally. That's what the green text bubble is for, talking about that. This was another important reason to predetermine our preliminary support range. The reason to predetermine that is knowing that if this is preliminary support, we go down with a selling climax, then we should see an automatic rally that comes back up to or near preliminary support. I'm just telling you that basically for you high time frame scalpers that use the short-term group of time frames. Let's go ahead and get to the analysis. Of course, I've already pointed out in the macro group, this is the long-term group, but even the long-term group, we just got a new 20-day time frame. Now the red RSI has gone below level 50. The blue SMA is about to go below level 50. The green is heading down towards the aqua lower, implying the aqua lower B band. That is level 10 in the Phoenix indicator. So we are certainly at risk of falling down to the aqua lower B band in this 20-day time frame within proximity of it. That's 34,272. The next 3-week candle begins in 2 days, 15 hours. If that green is still going down towards this aqua lower, level 10, and the red RSI, blue SMA, make it below level 50, similar to what we did here, then if we haven't already gone down to that aqua lower, we're certainly at risk of falling down to it then. We're trying to head towards the aqua lower here in the 19-day. It has just begun, by the way. We're trying to head down to the aqua lower here in the 18-day as well. The 17-day, the aqua lower is 33,115, 32,877, 34,703. So I'd say 34,703 to 33,115. Let's just say 33,000. 34 to 33,000 is what we're seeing initially. That 17-day time frame, the 50 moving average, 28,525 currently, but it's rising. Yeah, I can definitely see the aqua lower B band before much longer in those time frames. In the lower 30Ks, mid to lower 30Ks is what this long-term group is indicating at the moment. And by the way, I'm in the midterm group now. Green hasn't turned down in the 4-day. Man, we're trying to come down to the 100 moving average in the 8-day time frame. That's currently at 28,858, but it's rising. Man, we're trying to get expansion down too. Not sure if the green will come down here to the orange and we end up coming down to the orange lower B band at 31,000 or not. As far as this 9-day candle and maybe the next 9-day candle, we'll see. It could be this one. All right, let's have a look at the near-term group. Of course, I pointed out in a chart I posted in an update in a publication this 5-day time frame. That green might come back down, but we'll see. It's still looking like this aqua lower B band. Excuse me, this aqua lower diagonal trend line, not the aqua upper diagonal trend line, but the aqua lower diagonal trend line. It was resistance here, support here. I would say that is next, and that's looking at around 33,300. 33,300. $33,339. Yeah, we've come on down to the orange here, just like how we did here. But we're liable to get some expansion here because we didn't have the blue LSMA below level 20 here to have stage 2 expansion. We're about to do stage 2 expansion down now, it looks like, because they're both below level 20. They closed below level 20 in this current 24-hour candle. Look out. Yeah, that blue LSMA is super low in that 3-day time frame. The next 3-day candle that begins in 14 and a half hours may be going down. That red RSI then goes below level 20. We can see expansion down, more expansion down. And at that point, that would be stage 2 expansion down. Excuse me, stage 3 expansion down. Yeah, that white energy is not showing any sign of having momentum go back up right now. We're definitely looking into the mid to lower 30Ks now, in my opinion. It's kind of looking like that. Mid to lower 30Ks. Well, the 0.618 is at 32,772. 32,772 is the 0.618. So it could potentially come down here to the 618. Then we see a wick where we've come back up and found support on top of that aqua diagonal trend line. Yeah, potentially within the next 5 to 7 days, if we're not already down at that orange lower B band or around the 100 moving average, 31,400, 32,000, we may get down there pretty soon, if not already, within 5 to 7 days. This red RSI goes up without that blue LSMA. We know that price action cannot remain above the B-band basis for a sustained period of time in that 1 hour time frame. The green may come up, may hit the red RSI and come back down, but it may come up to or near the blue LSMA and then come right back down. And right now, this is looking like this may come down pretty good. I was mentioning in that previous publication that the way these were going straight up, I was like, man, and normally when I see something like this with that blue LSMA that low, and especially in the 6 hour and 8 hour, I'd mentioned that how low they were, and I didn't think they were ready yet, especially based on what I was seeing in the 3-day, 4-day, and 5-day time frame. We had a bull trap first before coming down, of course. Yeah, this looks like it's still coming down. Red RSI and blue LSMA in the short-term group, the entire short-term group, the red RSI and blue LSMA are below level 50 except for the 3 hour. Except for the 3 hour. That blue LSMA, it gets below level 50. Right now, we know the white lower is resistance in that 3 hour. Yeah, this is still coming down, in my opinion, and it's beginning to look like mid to lower 30Ks. Mid to lower 30Ks. I'm going to go and call this quits. If you don't mind, take a moment and click like. If you're not following, feel free to do so. Certainly would appreciate your support. Want to wish everyone happy trading, and followers, you know the drill. Let's stay awesome.